This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Mazda BT50 single cab chassis XT Ute, stock reference number 4387. The shape runs from the 10th month 2011 and is the current shape. There's a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, it's got a tidy front bumper cover, left hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch steel rims, left front has a good tyre, we have the left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a ball tyre. This vehicle is fitted with a TJM aftermarket alloy tray supplied with ball bolts, brackets, and the water tank as well. The tail light guards do have some damage, but easily repaired. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a ball tyre. Right door has only 1 small dent. Right power door mirror. Right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, and the right guard has 1 small dent. For the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.